Hello and welcome. My name is Ahmad Jadallah, and I worked in the game industry for the past 15 years as a director, consultant, jury, and a speaker at several events. I am currently the Director of Development at Semaphore Studios in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and had the great pleasure of leading some of the most talented developers in the region. I won several first-place technology awards in Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, and the Middle East. My previous work has been covered on several media outlets including newspapers, magazine articles, radio stations, and TV channels including BBC World and CNBC. Some of the past projects I worked on included Riyadh, a third-person action-adventure treasure hunting game, Mecca, a simulation and training for pilgrimage to Mecca, and Badia, a survival game set in 1920s Arabia, which was shown at E3 2016 on stage at the PC Gaming Show, and is available right now on Steam Early Access. I founded Nologia as a course delivery platform for technology and game development topics, and it's my pleasure to host you on this course, The Art and Science of Game Development Using Unity. While there are plenty of courses and videos covering game development, I believe that most lack the practical aspect of developing a fully featured project, and therefore may lead students to forget or get distracted. And this course is going to bring a solution to this issue. In this course, we will learn the game development pipeline, Unity game engine fundamentals, and then we apply what we learned on a small practical project that we can build on for the future. So, prepare yourself for a new journey in the exciting world of game development on nologia.com.